will become US President in 2020. Such a prediction for the first time in American history of the last 27 years. According to astrologer Dilip Nahata of Byawar city, located in Ajmer district of Rajasthan in India, for the first time in the American history of the last 27 years, the current US President may lose his second term of election. On November 3rd, 2020, on Tuesday, Donald Trump may lose in the US presidential election. Mr. Dilip Nahata predicted this exactly 11 months before, on 5th October 2019 and 8th October 2019. At that time, astrologers from all around the world predicted that Trump will win in 2020 presidential election. It was only Indian astrologer Dilip Nahata who had clearly written in several newspapers of 2019 that Donald Trump could lose in the 2020 US elections. The proof of this prediction, the cutting of this news published in the newspapers, is also shown in this video. What about the prediction of the US presidential election to be held on 3rd November 2020? See the video of astrologer Mr. Dilip Nahata.
Hello friends, Namaskar. On the basis of astrological calculation, the main reason for this is that Donald Trump is currently facing Saturn in the Mahadasha of Guru, and due to Saturn being in the 12th house, he can face losses and obstacles in every way. Due to this, there is no chance of winning in the election again. Thank you. Namaskar.
On the basis of astrological calculations, the main reason for this is that Donald Trump is currently facing Saturn in the Mahadasha of Guru, and due to Saturn being in the 12th house, he can face losses and obstacles in every way. Due to this, there is no chance of winning in the elections again. It should be noted that since 1993, for the last 27 years, the President of America has been winning his second-term elections continuously, and no opposition party has been able to beat him. It should be noted that Mr. Nahata has predicted 11 months before, on 5th October 2019 and 8th October 2019, and this news was published in several newspapers of the country, that Donald Trump will not become president again in the 2020 US presidential elections. And after 1993, this will be the first time in American history in the last 27 years that a president may lose the second term election. Astrology never claims anything, only and only expresses a possibility based on the movement of the planets, which has been seen as a prediction, which at times proves to be false and many times to be true. Rest is in the hands of God. It should be noted that Mr. Dilip Nahata has created a new record in the field of astrology in India by creating the world's first palmistry machine, which is based on the human palm lines of his past and present. By giving a definite time of events and events which may occur in the future, it gives an accurate estimate about the future of human beings. Apart from this, Mr. Dilip Nahata has done many calculations in the field of astrology through horoscopes and through arithmetic data. National and hundreds of international level predictions have been written, out of which 90% to 95% of the predictions date-wise are proving true every year, due to which Nahata has been awarded by many awards by many institutions. Besides this, Mr. Dilip Nahata's 84 predictions were made in 2018 and 2019, out of which 80 predictions were proved to be true. The ratio analysis of the prediction proved to be true in 2018 and 19 is about 95%, and this year from January 2020 to September 2020, 71 predictions were made, out of which 70 predictions have been proved true. That is, the ratio analysis of the predicted predictions in 2020 has been proved to be correct by about 98%. In the field of astrology, this is a great record. You can see all the videos for all the predictions made by him by visiting our YouTube channel, Astrologer Dilip Nahata Byawar. 70 predictions of Nahata have been proved to be true so far in 2020. Some of the major predictions of 2020 are: prediction of an outbreak in 2020, which turned out to be true as corona. Besides cyclonic storms in Mumbai, passenger aircraft accident in Kerala, major incidents such as the occurrence of a passenger plane crash in Pakistan, the hospitalization of US President Donald Trump, floods in Italy and France have proved to be true. According to Nahata, even if this prediction of the American election made by him proves to be true, then this prediction will also be dedicated by Nahata in the feet of his Guru Jain Acharya Sri Hastimalji Maharaj and on his holy place in Nimad village. Many thanks to all viewers. Jai Jinendra, Jai Guru Hasti.